Hi, my name is Daniele Rondoni. I am very happy to announce my presence in the next DentalWorld Congress in Budapest in October. And at 12 in the morning, a great honor to hold a lecture regarding the importance of the longevity of the aesthetic restoration. My question is this topic is fundamental. For my opinion, the durability represents an important fundamental point to guarantee and to decide which is the best strategy and material for our restoration. In the afternoon, I have the possibility to hold a hands-on regarding important topics, the bioconstruction, the bioarchitecture regarding the posterior tooth. The focus is the composite. This course is very interesting for technicians and dentists because we can try to replicate in the very speed way regarding the logic technique of the construction, which is the best biodynamic function and morphology. So for me it's very interesting to wait you next October, and I'm looking forward to be there and to speak with you and sharing with you my experience in the dentistry. Thank you. Bye bye.